and we tell it to every batch. So there are three types of students, right? Some make wonders happen, some watch wonder happen, and some wonder what happened. So you can classify among yourself. So those students. So all these 4 years, maybe 40 subjects, some 300 experiments, some 30 hours of class. I don't know, 30 hours will not be applicable to you. Maybe less than 10,000 hours. So that we have to calculate. So a normal human being can't do it. The superpower heroes are called engineering students. So long time ago, people who sacrificed their sleep, family, food, laughter, and other joys of life were called saints. Now they are called engineers. So order of preparation, your order of preparation: study, take the test, pass it, forget what you have studied, start the new semester. So nights are more productive than days. Some facts about engineering. So being an engineer means having the ability to become an expert in a subject overnight. So 7 great qualities of engineering students. So what you all people you have: consistency. Once a zero is always a zero. Voice modulation, attendance in 5 different voices. Presentation skills, presenting one answer in 5 different ways for 5 different questions. Art, designing classroom tables for the test. Then stamina, tolerate for 1 hour lecture. Then peripheral vision, to look at what others are writing. That peripheral vision you have, right? Then humanity, failing and giving others to chance to perform. Then research has been done. All the profession, in different profession, how much do they study? All medical students, it may be commerce. So in terms of ghanta, they have explained. Medical student 12 ghanta, CA 10 ghanta, MBA 8 ghanta, Law 6 ghanta, BBA 3 ghanta, BCom 1 ghanta, Engineering ghanta. So I don't know how far this research is true. You can refer IEEE papers afterwards. I'm just telling my facts. So you might be the topper of your class, but your parents believe it until you fix your cooler or refrigerator or some bulb at your home. They will not believe you. And syllabus will be 80 GB, and you study only 80 MB. Then you retain 80 KB. This is also research, one of the Oxford research they have done. Oxford I'm telling because you believe that. If I tell RVC has done or